Welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel.
Today, we are going to draw and color Arnold from Hey Arnold. Let's start drawing. At first, I'm going to draw the two big eyes of Arnold. Then his nose and his fully smiling mouth. Now I draw his cap. And I also draw his football head. After that, I draw his crazy hair. Now I'm going to draw his body. He holds his hands on his waist. He's wearing a sweater with a plaid shirt untucked and jeans. Good job! Now I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I'm going to start the coloring with a vivid yellow for his blonde hair. After that, I'm going to use cream color for his skin. I use blue for his cap and also for his jeans. Then I'm drawing some lines onto his clothes with yellow. Now I start to color his untucked plaid shirt with orange. I finish the coloring of his outfit with this teal for his sweater. At the end, I color his shoes black. Great! Yippee! Wow, he looks cool! If you guys like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel.